Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation. In this automation, we are going to take input from the Google form, then pull those values into the form response sheet. And from there, we are going to use some controls and then push it into the Word document that will get saved in another folder. And it will also generate the PDF of the same file and also send an email based on the selection. So this is the overall summary of this task. I'm recording this video just to keep in mind that, for example, if you see the video lately, you will remember, okay, this is the task because we have similar kind of forms and similar kind of documents which we are filling and saving in different folders. So I have made some changes in the format for the easy access and for easy changes. So you don't need to jump into the code and change the dynamic variables, which are like we have a document template ID, which is the template in which we are using the curly braces for the first name, last name, and all the other variables. We need to save, we need to use the document ID. Let me show you how. So here you can see this is the file URL, and from after the D slash on the right side till the next slash forward slash, you can copy this, and this is the file ID. We can paste that in here. So now this way, now our system, our Google Sheet workflow is now connected with this sheet because we have copied the ID of the sheet, and we know the variable names in here. We will be using the same variable names in the form inputs: last name, number, email address, and other things. So we have updated that. Then you can have a file name starting with file name to be saved. This is the starting name. So let me call it file name prefix. So once the new file has been generated from this template, it will saved as proposal and then further the company name and the project details so that you can easily identify those. Then we have to have a folder ID in which we need to save our document format, which we just created from the template. So to get to this folder ID, you can open any folder. Then once you are open in you are in a folder, you just need to share this folder. For example, if the account, this form is using a different account and the folder is on another account, so you need to share that folder first with the account you are using Google Form and Google Sheet on. Like if you are using cards format, cards Gmail address, you need to, and using, sorry, if you are using the Google Sheet and form using the cards Gmail address, whereas the folder on the drive is different. So you need to create a folder in the drive and then share it with the cards so that they can connect. Once the folder is created, you have to open the folder, and after the folder slash, copy everything. This is the folder key. You need to copy that, then go back into the file, and where if you want to save this all the newly created Word document into this one, this is which are proposal, just replace this with the folder ID, and now you are good to go. And any folder, any new document generated will be in this folder. I'll show you these later. So this is the email address to we want to send the email to. This is the email subject. Now similarly to the document folder, we can also have a folder with the PDF. You can also use a different folder, maybe this one. Copy the folder ID and paste it in here. So now the PDF generated will be saved in this folder. Now, if you want to send the email, you can uncheck this. So it means the emails are not deactivated. But if you will check this on, it means the emails are deactivated. Now the last, just to keep a record of, I have added this Google Form ID as well, so that we can directly go to this Google Form. We don't need to go into the file and open the folder. How you can use that? To open the template document, you simply need to click on this and then click on this. This will open the document template for you. If you want to open the folder where the document files are saved, you can simply click here and then click on it, and it will take you directly to that folder. Even though you will change the text, it will still work. Similarly, for this folder ID, you need to click on this and then click on the folder so that it can take you to that. Similarly, for the Google form, it will take you to the Google form if you have the access to. All right. So all these are set up. You don't need to make changes because I have already made the folder. But if you want to make the change, you can also do that. Once everything is done, we are ready to go and submit a form. I have already a pre-filled form format. So this is the pre-filled format. Let me make some changes in the company name. Maybe company XYZAABB, and project site details are project 51 for THU. If I'll submit this, let's see what happens. Let me first open the document folder, PDF folder. Now I'll submit the document, and I hope we have a new entry at the bottom. Yes, company XYZAABB. Now I'll go to the folder. It will take maybe up to 10 seconds to generate the documents. You can see the document has generated. The starting name is proposal, then the company name, and then the project details. Let's go to the other folder. So we have the PDF available in here as well, proposal, company, and these are different folders. If you want to change the folders, you can always jump back into the controls of the file and change the ID of the folder where you want to save the document, and change the ID of the folder where you want to save the PDF for. So, okay, let me open the file as well. You can see the date is there, company name, project details, phone number. Regarding the phone number, I have something. So if you want to add criteria so that someone is not putting in 333 or 111, and you want to have a legit phone number, so either you can have like a 10-digit number so that they can at least put 10 numbers in it, or maybe we can have a fixed format of the phone number like 11 digits or 4 digits if you want to have a different number format. Like if you want to have a landline, we could have different criteria for the phone number. So we can apply the criteria on the phone number so that someone is not entering any text on it, and but a legit phone number. Similarly, we can do with the email address. We can always add criteria that there is an at the rate sign and at the end .com, so that we can have a legit email address. We can use the data validation on these two things. Please let me know if you have anything in mind. Otherwise, we can keep it open if these are not mandatory data. Also, we can mark some questions as mandatory. Like, let me show you. So if you want to keep, if you want the person to definitely or show save the phone number and do not skip this question, you can always mark this as required. So if you will mark this as required, they have to enter the phone number, and the phone number can be on a proper format, like 10 digits minimum, or maybe 8 digits as per your requirement. All right. So I think that is it from my side. Let me open the document as well. So the document updated, obviously the PDF has been generated from the document. So whatever the PDF is, it will same, the PDF, the document will be the same. So I think that is it from my side. Please have it tested and do let me know if you have any question or if you want to clarify anything. The last thing is you need to click on this custom action. I think I have changed the name of this, and click on the reactive. I will add some emojis to it so that you can identify this is a custom action, and I will add your name to it so that you can identify this is the custom menu only for you, where you can reactivate the document generation. So once the automation, you have the automation, you need to click on this reactivate the document generation, and it will work for you. Um, yep, that is it from my side for now. Looking forward for your review and have a nice day ahead. Bye.